Rodelas from Bachelor of Science Hospitality Management 2-2 from Minskat, Bungabong. I'm Hazel Grace Argalasa from BSHM 2-2 from Minskat, Bungabong.
I am Chances Grace Bisca, Bachelor of Science Hospitality Management 2-2 from Minskat, Bungabong.
I'm Rowena Cabantog. What can I do for you?
Katanungan lang po kami tatanong.
Okay.
First question. What places or destination do you already visit?
Malaysia, Saudi.
Second question. Second question is, what is the purpose of your visit?
To explore the beautiful places there.
Sana all. Third question. What kind of transportation did you use?
Airplanes, of course.
Question. What accommodation did you use?
Hotel.
Maganda to.
So ako na po yung magtatanong sa akin. Did you travel alone, with family, or friends?
With family, of course.
What is the recreational activities available in that accommodation?
For watching TV in my room. Pero kung lalabas ka, meron doon, pwede kang mag-window shopping. Or kung gusto mo mag-shopping, kung may pera ka, pwede.
What are the amenities that accommodation have?
Aircon, TV. Tapos sa bathroom, may shower na with hot and cold water.
Eighth question. That's ikaw na.
Eighth question. Did the service make you satisfied po, ma'am?
Yes. All staff are good.
Ninth question, ma'am, what is the unforgettable moments did you experience while traveling po, ma'am?
To eat Chinese food and Arabic food, it's so nice and yummy.
At 10th question, ma'am, what is your realization or knowledge while you were traveling po?
Matuto kang makisalamuha sa ibang tao at pakitunguhan sila. Yun lang.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po sa time.
Thank you po sa cooperate po, ma'am.
Thank you po. Salamat po.